What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we're going to show you how to pull out your factory plastic drop-in liner on a Super Duty or F150. First thing you need to do is just pop these little tabs out that are holding the liner to the actual bed, and there's just one on each side by the tailgate back here. After you've got it popped forward a bit here with the pry tool, this doesn't get as much leverage as I'd like. So we're going to use some pliers here to kind of grab onto this plug and just pull it all the way out. After you've got those two tabs out, you're gonna wanna go ahead and pull up on the center portion of this plastic liner, and that's gonna help fold the sides in, so that way you're not just trying to pry and pull down on those and fight this pressure underneath. So we'll lift this up. Now that this thing is all the way popped out, we can just slide it out backwards and we should be good to go. To remove this plastic panel from the tailgate, there's going to be 8 screws you got to pull out, and you'll just need a T20 Torx bit to do this. So we're going to lift all these out of here and the panel should come off. After you've got that plastic panel off here, you're gonna wanna keep those Torx head screws, and you'll probably wanna grab some washers as well, because we're gonna reinstall these in all the holes that we pulled them out of, since that's what holds this access panel for the tailgate. So I'm gonna run these in real quick, and that should be good to go. So that's all it takes to pull out your factory drop-in plastic liner. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You can do this in the driveway in a couple minutes. And if you're wondering why you would ever need to do this, usually the main reason is people pull them out so that they can get a spray-in liner put in, or if you're doing a drop-in bed mat or a bed rug, something like that, then obviously you're probably gonna want the plastic liner out of there, and they tend to be pretty slippery and cargo slides around just all over the place on those anyways, so we're gonna end up putting something rubberized in here, I'm sure, to kind of fill that gap and make it a little bit more stable. But thank you guys, as always, for watching, and if you're interested in some of our other bed offerings, you can check out those links in the description, and we'll see you next time.